Okay, so let's do now. Next section is C. Cooking extra quantity to enhance the food. Okay, it is permitted to the extra quantity to a pot of cooking food in order to enhance the flavor of the food. Okay, for example, when making a chicken soup, it is permitted to add additional pieces of chicken to the soup after it is on a fire, even though the extra pieces of chicken will not be eaten on Yom Tov. Right? Why? I mean, that's a very, very brilliant example. Because they enhance the flavor of the soup. Soup you're going to eat today, okay, you don't need the chicken for today, so many pieces, but for sure it's not because of the chicken you're doing, but because of the soup. Okay. This is permitted even in addition, if additional effort is needed in order to prepare the extra food item. Similarly, one may add extra food to the pot to ensure that the pieces he wishes to cook will not burn. For example, if one needs to make a small potato kugel, but only has a large pan, very interesting, in which to bake it, and he is afraid that the small kugel will burn, he is permitted to peel extra potatoes to make the kugel large enough to fill the large pan. It's very I would say unexpected example, but very, very clever example. Right? They say even though you need a small amount of food, the kugel is like a potato with the flour or something, like they mix, and with some spices they put it and bake it, right? So for sure dry food. That's one of the foods that we allow to warm up on Shabbos, but it's very not healthy food. Very filling, not healthy. So if you want to gain, I don't know how many pounds and fall asleep right away, that's the best food to kill you spiritually. Right? So for example, one is this he wants only small potato kugel, right? But needs has only big pan. So if you cannot make it thin, I don't know what is it thin, 1 inch. They usually make it 2 inches, 2 inches plus 3, not 3 too much. Sorry, maybe 2.5 inches. It's the best size. Okay. The last time I ate kugel was very, very long time ago. We don't eat this food. Okay, but very interesting. All right, so they say, okay, so since the only pan to make it is large, so you can add extra potatoes. So of course you're going to the rest you're going to eat it only tomorrow, but it was in order to prepare this for today because of the lack of the correct utensil. It's very interesting. Very simple, logical, but very unexpected examples. Okay. Any questions on what we said so far?
Lulav?
Yes. Go ahead.
So one of the goals is to reduce the melachot that we perform when we're cooking. What about cooking on Yom Tov on a microwave? Because it would be turning on and off a few lights and completing a circuit, and then you have to cook, which is another Melachah.
No, we're not allowed to use these appliances on Yom Tov unless they always on. You understand? So you would not be allowed to turn on the microwave.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So there is some difference of the opinion, and I'm going to explain. So according to the most stricter opinion, so you're not allowed to turn off. I apologize. You're allowed only to take back. The most stricter opinion. So you're not allowed to turn off even this heating tray, right? This plata, hot plate. Right? So you're not allowed. So some people keep it on for 26 hours. Another opinion, so more lenient, says that you're allowed to actually to turn off. So whenever you don't eat. So for example, if we stop eating I don't know, like approximately like 1 p.m. right? 1 p.m. So like, according to that opinion, you can have this timer that would switch switch off, right? Because maybe fire hazard, maybe it's danger, maybe it's hot, maybe inconvenience, maybe all of the other things. Okay, so it's possible. And the third opinion is actually said that the most lenient opinion, not everybody agree, of course, but the most lenient opinion said that you're actually allowed to use timers to turn on when needed, like in the morning, for example. So the whole night is going to be off, your platter is going to be off, and in the morning it's going to turn on. And then off again. Okay.